Okay, everybody, here's going to be some help for 3-17, and I'll read the problem to you. It says, Mrs. Swanson gives out one type of Halloween candy. The local discount store sells 6 pounds of butterscotch candies for $7.50. And it asks us to use proportional reasoning to answer the question below. Also, you're going to see that homework help in the Google Doc I shared with you. Click on that and it will link you directly to the online book. And there is some step-by-step help for these problems. All right. Now, when it says use proportional reasoning, they want us to break this down and make it simpler for us to get to the answer. So what I would do is not find out how much does it cost for 18 pounds like they want us in letter A, or 10 pounds in letter B, or the 6 pounds that they give us in the problem. Let's find out what does it cost for only 1 pound of candy. All right. So what I'm going to do for my work over here is take the information that they gave us, which was $7.50. And $7.50 gets us how many pounds of candy? 6. Okay. Now, this should look like a fraction to you. And we talk about this in class a lot. Fractions kind of lead us to doing what math operation? Division. Yes. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now, like I said, we don't want to know how much does it cost for 6 pounds of candy. We want to know how much does it cost for 1 pound of candy. And we don't know that. Okay? But if I wanted to get from 6 down to 1 pound of candy, what I could do is use that giant 1 that we used a lot when we got to see each other every day in class. And I'm going to create that giant 1 right there, which is essentially a fraction that'll end up having the same denominator and numerator in it. So ask yourself, 6 divided by what number equals 1? And in that case, it is 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. Okay, now because this is a giant 1, we know we want the same numerator and the same denominator. So let's take it and put a 6 on top as well. So we're going to take $7.50 and divide it by 6. Okay, use a calculator. I'm going to slide in a little calculator here, going old school with you, and I will type in 7.50 for $7.50. Hit the division sign, divided by 6 pounds of candy, and what do I get? 1.25. Or since we're talking about money here, $1.25. All right, so 1 pound of candy costs $1.25. Now that we know 1 pound is $1.25, use that $1.25 and think about what math operation you might use to figure out what's it going to cost if you go in and buy 18 pounds of candy. And then for the next one, what is it going to cost if you buy 10 pounds of candy? All right. Hint, I think you're going to want to use some multiplication. Okay, because adding $1.25 over and over again 18 times is going to get a little tedious and boring and increase our chances of making a mistake. Okay, so think about multiplication. Hit that homework help button if you need help with A and B. I went ahead and cut off letter C. I just wanted to simplify it a little bit more for you guys. So shoot me a message or an email if you need further help on 3-16 or 3-17. All right, hope you guys are doing well. Talk to you later.